Today, I'm in Medford, Massachusetts, in front of this two-family home. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're going to take a tour of this over 2,700 square foot home with 2 units right now. Welcome inside 183 Salem Street. This home has 2 units and would be ideal for either an investor or an owner-occupant. We're first going to explore the larger 3-bedroom unit, and then we'll come back to this one here and show you that as well. As you can see, Unit 1 has generously sized rooms. The living room flows into the dining room. The dining room flows into this well-appointed kitchen overlooking a beautiful patio. As we finish exploring this level, we'll go upstairs and take a look at the 3 bedrooms. Unit 1 is a duplex style residence with 2 levels of living. We have 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. Now let's go take a look at Unit 2. Just like Unit 1, Unit 2 is a 2-level residence. The 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath home has a spacious living room and again, a well-appointed eating kitchen. This is the bedroom for Unit 2 with its own ensuite bath. The home has a great backyard and this beautiful patio. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and thank you very much for touring this property here in Medford, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, feel free to contact me.